So I'm making chicken as I'm doing everything else. It needs some acid. It's just spicy right now, super spicy. Go get the lemon, it's for the sauce. I need some acid. I'm Darianna. I stay in the West Garfield Park area. I'm currently doing my transitional job here at Inspiration's Kitchen.
Here's your limit, damn it.
Thank you. We getting bleeped out, okay?
I am Tiara. I stay on the south side of Chicago in the Woodlawn area, and I am currently doing my transitional job at Inspiration Kitchens.
We met here at Inspiration's Kitchen. Orientation. Well, when I get here in the morning, because my mom works down the street, so my mom brings me, and I get here probably on a good day, like 7:30. I have to come in and just literally set up the line. So make sure everything is put in place, done right, everything tastes right. We used to live in Oak Park in the last house that we were just living in. Our landlords got a divorce or something and we had to move. It was like really unexpected. So we ended up moving back to West Garfield.
She's starving me because she want to make a special sauce.
Come on, you got excited about this.
I was, and then I looked at the time and I was like, whoa, I still haven't eaten.
Shut up. I haven't eaten either.
And you guys look like each other.
Yeah, that's the other part.
Apparently we're twins.
We're twins. Just check on it, Mimi. Okay, Tiara, because I know you'll check on it. Clarified butter. That's really how I met you. Because everybody's like, son, you look like somebody. They kept saying, you look exactly like somebody. I'm like, who are you talking about? And then when I saw her, I'm like, we do not look alike. Moved to West Garfield Park, like hearing gunshots and stuff like that, I never knew what it was. It's been times where I walked outside my house and they were shooting in front of my house, but I wasn't aware because I never heard gunshots. I've never been in predicaments like that. Like, I don't hate living in West Garfield Park. It's just too much goes on, too much. It's just always something. My cousin, I just found out last night that my cousin just got killed by the police. It's a lot. That type of stuff, it weighs on you. The people in the neighborhood are not all bad. I know it seems like that when you see certain areas and you know like what's going on around it, but it's not. It's a couple bad seeds. A lot of people in West Garfield Park have jobs, get up every day and go to work and have, successful businesses. Keisha, good job, y'all. Cooking is like, it's therapeutic. It's very therapeutic. So it helps me keep it moving. I love coming to work and taking my mind off things.
And whatever leftover food, she gave it to the homeless.
Yes, it just brings people together. Makes you feel good. Like to eat a good meal just makes you feel good. The feeling that you get when somebody tells you this is delicious or how did you make this or what did you do, that just elates me. I feel amazing. Like that feeling right there, I don't know how to explain it. It's just the greatest thing ever. That feeling is amazing. She said it's scrumptious. I don't know what you put in this tea. So I got you some hot chicken. Get you a plate. Yeah. Inspiration's Kitchen it's like hope. It's not just a restaurant. It's not just a cooking school. It's not just a kitchen. It's so much more. It's like it's here for the people that it's for. You need more programs like this. Because we're just a whole bunch of random people doing what we love doing. I know it's like you don't want to do a lot of stuff in this area because of the area. And that's just something you have to just let that go over your head and think about the good things that are here though. I love cooking. That's my passion. That's why I get up every morning and come here with the biggest smile on my face because I have a ball here. I have so much fun.